Hello, this video is to serve as a presentation for my online course, Making Videos an Integral Part of Your Classroom. This course is designed to help educators implement videos effectively into their classroom using primarily YouTube, among other tools. Google began as a search engine that recently has become an educational juggernaut that has put a lot of time, consideration, and planning into their educational tools. They recently started a movement specifically for using YouTube in the classroom. Now, when most educators think of Google Apps for Education, they picture these icons shown on the screen here. When in actuality, there are many more applications that use the Google App Suite. The one that I'm primarily going to focus on is this one, YouTube. The course that I've designed, titled Making Videos an Integral Part of Your Classroom, is hosted on a website that I made with Weebly. This website contains an introduction to the course, details on the different tools that we'll be using that are both asynchronous and synchronous, the course syllabus, and all of the sections of the course. Students have access to this website, so they have constant links to all the information they'll need for the entire course. This is a self-guided course where students can start at the level that they think is appropriate and work their way through the course materials. Every section ends with a project, and the entire course is pass-fail. All of these sections are based on tools that educators need to use videos effectively in their classroom. Along with this, students will also use Google Classroom. This will serve as a place for discussions where projects are turned in and later graded along with feedback. This also provides a place for students to discuss any questions that they have with each other, talk about topics that are assigned to students, and ask for help. Along with Google Classroom, this course will also use YouTube live streaming. This is a synchronous tool that allows all viewers to be present within a video conference where the teacher can live stream either a camera feed of themselves or their screencast, and it allows students to chat in a live setting with their teacher. In this course, I'm going to use it as a question and answer session to make sure that everyone's on the same page if they need any clarifications on any information. Here's an example of what students would see during a live stream. In this screen shot, you can see in the center an educator that is talking to their students. They added in an annotation that has questions, how to ask them appropriately to grab his attention. But if you notice on the right, this is where the live chat is. And these students are able to talk to themselves, talk to the teacher, to clarify any questions, to make sure that everyone's on the same page. This makes it possible for students to get real-time feedback and to make sure that they have a great understanding of whatever the course is covering in that specific video. The great thing about this tool is that although it is a synchronous tool, after the live feed, after the live stream has been completed, it later is stored on YouTube as a video archive. This makes it a permanent thing that students can view later. Students that are unable to see the live stream because of other obligations in their schedule, or if they just want to clarify information, have that ability to go back and see that live stream again. They can also see the students that questions asked, so if they have a similar question, they can see that answer again. So it's a great way for them to review materials. For students, it's very easy to find all of the course videos because on the educator's channel, the entire library would be updated with not only scheduled live streams, but also all of the videos for the course, and any live stream video that has already taken place would automatically be stored on this channel. The reasoning for using these tools is that all assignments can then be accessed through any internet-capable device. Students can learn at their own pace using these synchronous and asynchronous tools. Students can participate in a live chat during the video sessions. Ongoing discussions are possible through Google Classroom. Personal two-way conferences can be held between students or a student and a teacher through Google Hangouts. This allows both video and chat-based communications. This makes it possible for students to get real-time feedback and allows for students to review and re-clarify sessions later. For virtual conferencing, Google Hangouts and YouTube Livestream allow students to see their educator and get questions answered in real time. Google Hangouts has a video component where multiple users can have a video conference with the educator at once, so if they were doing like kind of like a group approach, or it also has a text-based communication service, so students could message each other and the teacher to get questions answered, feedback received, or discuss other class topics. Private two-way conversations can be held through Google Hangouts and also through Google Classroom. Unfortunately, I can only show you the educator version of this website, but where you see in the center of the screen, add class comment, students would be able to add questions or just start a discussion between themselves. Teachers can choose to start discussion questions, and this could be the entire shell for the course for all student correspondence with each other and the professor if they so wish. The course syllabus and all course sections. Provided on the website is the full syllabus. Here is a short peek into it. This gives students an understanding of what the course is about, how to join the Google Classroom website, an explanation for how resources will be presented to them, expectations on projects and due dates, and the grading policy. For this project, it is a pass-fail grading policy. Here are all of the course sections. There are 3 different levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. All 3 sections end with a final project that has students show a proficiency of their understanding of the tools. Students are able to complete assignments multiple times to ensure that they have shown a proficiency, and the entire course, along with each project, is a pass-fail system. The idea behind this is to remove the stress of learning a new tool and to have them actively using the tool as many times necessary until they get that full, complete understanding. Every course has resources. These are either text-based or video-based. The beginning level courses start with basically setting up a YouTube channel, customizing the channel, then creating class resources that use already created videos. So if a teacher is very hesitant to get involved with this process because they're afraid of editing videos and all of the skills required for that, this beginning course, sub-course, shows them how to use already created content. The intermediate levels gets into actually creating your own content, basic editing techniques, suggested hardware and software, understanding how to use video and images legally, and how to then share them, privacy settings, online communities, and live streaming. Advanced levels of this course go into some newer new techniques that people are using. The first one, using green screens. This has become very popular in recent years, but lesson 2 is getting to more really cutting edge stuff. This is using machinima and virtual reality to create classroom content. For these sections, I gave a lot of example footage that teachers could make using this course's tools to show them the possibilities and the creative freedom that they can really get by using some of these more advanced techniques. Here's an example of what a text-based resource would look like for students. It is a Google Doc that has links as well as screenshots, images, and all the directions they need to understand that topic under discussion. For some topics, there are video examples that help students learn the skills necessary in that topic to make sure that they can then recreate it on their own. These videos are designed to be something that the students can follow along with and pause the video as they get to each step, or a resource that they can look back later on after completion. This concludes my presentation on developing the course, making videos an integral part of your classroom. I hope you saw the benefits of how asynchronous and synchronous tools are being used in this course. Thank you.